So this is with the Corona Police Department. I have some information for you guys, some patrol information.
Okay, go ahead.
We are working a possible hostage situation. We received a call advising that a mother and 2 other females are being held hostage by a male in a vehicle.
Okay.
The suspect is known to be a Juan Estrada. Be advised he does have an active 1032 frank out of Orange County for an assault on a police officer.
Okay.
He's holding these subjects hostage per the sister with a knife. This that we just got online with a witness who advised the subject was armed with a black pistol.
911, state your emergency.
There's cops surrounding the house and they're looking for somebody in here. There's cops outside the house and they're looking for a man.
Did you open the door?
No, he's acting like he has a gun, but he doesn't have one. The owner of the house said that he'd open the door so he can come in because he doesn't want to go outside.
Are you able to exit and go to the deputies?
No, I can't go downstairs. The owner is downstairs and he said he'd open the door if you guys can get close to the door.
Who were they looking for?
Juan Estrada.
And he is there?
Yes.
And you're saying that he is acting like he has a gun, but he doesn't?
Yes.
Where is he at in the house?
The living room, downstairs.
You're not sure if there's any weapons inside the house?
Just the knives downstairs.
What was that?
In the kitchen. Just the knives in the kitchen that are...
After approximately 1 hour, a man exited the home and walked toward deputies. He was stopped in the driveway so deputies could verify he did not have a weapon. While deputies were giving instructions to the man in the driveway, Estrada suddenly ran from inside the residence with his arms fully extended, pointing toward deputies. Deputies could see an object in his hands, simulating what deputies believed was a firearm. At that time, a deputy-involved shooting occurred.
Star 9, we have movement. Stop! Yeah. Yeah. Juan, use your right hand by the shirt of your collar, by the collar of your shirt. Lift your shirt up. Lift it higher, 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 higher. Look down at the ground and spin in a circle until I tell you to stop. Spin, spin, spin. Look down at the ground. Spin. Go, 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 go. Get down. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Stay back, stay back. Everybody chill. Get the cover. Get the cover. Get down. Get down. Get the cover.